I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon had lingered over London town. Oh, puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world seemed upside down.
The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. How strange it was, how sweet and strange, there was never a dream to compare to that hazy, lazy night. A nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. His heart of mine beats loud and fast, like a merry-go-round in a fair. And we were dancing cheek to cheek, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. When dawn came stealing up, all gold and blue, to interrupt our rendezvous, I still remember how you smiled and said,
Was that a dream,
or was it true?
our homeward steps
Was just as light as the tap dancing feet of a stair. And like an echo far away, a nightingale sang